kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. We are not talking about any food today. We want to talk about, oh good this look, guys. 50,000 subscribers is brilliant. Basically, I want to take the time out to say thank you so much for subscribing my YouTube channel, and also for leaving your comments and also giving me a lot of encouragement. Guys, I said to the team of us who work together, I said to me, you know what, man, I have to take the time out to say thank the fans. Want to big up all of you guys. There's so many of you, you know what I mean, I can't name it, but the list is so long. But for me to start the list is gonna take me up to 2 days, so let's not go there. But we just want to take the time out to say thank you so much, and we are at a big number, 50,000 subscribers at the moment. Basically, we're working very hard, and we're gonna work on another 50 to reach 100, and we will just keep going, guys. We're moving forward, and we won't stop. And you have to start from somewhere to reach somewhere. So, guys, thank you so much, and that's why we're taking the time to say a big thank you from all of the fans who support Chef Ricardo, subscribe, leaving the comments, and also supporting me. It is a brilliant thing, guys. And I'll say, me, myself, and the team couldn't do nothing except you. So we are taking the time out to say thank you for all what you have done for us. It is brilliant. So guys, thank you so much, and hopefully we can come with more better recipe and better recipe in the future. And also hopefully we can come with a lot of stuff for kids and for family. You know what I mean? A lot of family at home person who work 9 to 5. We want to reach out to those family. So but anyway, we just have to take the time out to say a big thank you. A big thank you, guys. And you know what I mean, there's so many people, you know, I can't name it. The list is so long, as I said before. So we just want to take the time and say thank you so much, and a big thank you from Chef Ricardo and the team. Say thank you for the subscribing, and also for the encouragement, and also for all your message and all your comments. It is brilliant. And all the Facebook like page, which is growing so well. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. And also who buy my cookbook again. We sell so many copies of that cookbook, guys, I can't believe. Basically the cookbook is on Amazon, but it's on a specific website where a lot of people buy the book, and I want to say we sell at least almost 10,000 copies of the book, and a lot of people brought the book, and a lot of people like it. And I want to take the time again to say we are coming out with another book, which all of these recipes on the YouTube channel are gonna be inside of that cookbook, which is gonna be about 200 pages, because a lot of people keep asking, saying we need to see that recipe book, Chef Ricardo. So thank you so much, and hopefully we can come with more better in the future from Chef Ricardo. Thank you so much, and see you next time.